Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to my channel, the Learning Hub Pampa Majumdar. Today we are going to learn a very important and useful topic. Use of am, is, are. Let me repeat, use of am, is, are. Am, is and are simple present forms of the verb. They are called helping verbs. What are they called? They are called helping verbs. Why are they called helping verbs? Because they help to complete the structure of a sentence. I repeat, they help to complete the structure of a sentence. Helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. A helping verb is a verb that comes before the main verb in a sentence. So, am, is, are. These are helping verbs. A helping verb is a verb that comes before the main verb in a sentence. So children, till now we have discussed a lot about helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Now the next step is how to use am, is, are in a sentence. So let's see. First, use of am. Am. Am is always used with I. I repeat, am is always used with I. I is the first person singular number, means I is used to talk about yourself. So am is only used with I. I am. For example, I am a girl. I am teaching. I am very happy today. So children, observe very diligently that here I have used am with I. So you must remember that am is always used with I and am is only used with I am. Next, use of is. Is used with he, she, it, this, that and singular nouns, means one person, place, animal or thing. Let me repeat one more time. Is used with he, she, it, this, that and singular noun, means one person, place, animal or thing. So children, you need to remember this chart. Now example, he is my best friend. He is. She is my mother. She is. It is a pet dog. It is. This is a book. This is. That is a boat. That is. So children, repeat one more time along with ma'am. He is. She is. It is. This is. That is. So these are basic things and easy to remember. Now observe the next examples very carefully. The cow is a domestic animal. The cow is. Here is has been used with cow. The cow means here we are talking about only one cow, means one animal. That's why here is has been used. Next, Rahul is a doctor. Rahul is. Here is has been used with Rahul because here we are talking about only one person. So Rahul is a doctor. Next, the ball is red in color. Here is has been used with ball because here we are talking about only one ball, means one thing. So that's why is has been used with the ball. Next, Kolkata is known as the city of joy. Here is has been used with Kolkata because here we are talking about only one place. Kolkata is known as the city of joy. We are talking about only one place. That's why here is has been used. So children, let me repeat one more time. We use is with all singular naming words. Let me repeat. We use is with all singular naming words. Next, use of are. Are is used with you, we, they, these, those and plural nouns. I repeat, are is used with you, we, they, these, those and plural nouns, means more than one person, place, animal and thing. So children, you need to remember this chart. Now example, you are a very brave boy. You are. We are watching TV. We are. They are not my friends. They are. These are mangoes. These are. Those are birds. Those are. So children, repeat one more time along with ma'am. You are. We are. They are. These are. Those are. So these are basic things and easy to remember. Now observe the next examples very carefully. Jam and Jimmy are going to the zoo. Jam and Jimmy are. Here we are talking about more than one person. Jam and Jimmy. That's why here are has been used. Here we are talking about more than one person. Now the next example. Lion and tiger are wild animals. Observe very carefully. Here are has been used with lion and tiger because here we are talking about two animals, right? So lion and tiger are wild animals. We are talking about two animals. That's why are has been used over here. Got it? So children, are is used with plural naming words. You need to remember these things. A very important point. Are is used with plural naming words. Now let's move on to the worksheet. Now children, we are going to complete these two worksheets. First, we have to complete this worksheet, then we will move on to the next one. So let's begin. Fill in the blanks using words from the box. There are some words in this box. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the words according to the verbs. But first, let's go through the words. You, Ria, he, they, we, it, she, pens, I. Now the first verb is am. What is always used with am? Tell me. Correct. I. So here we have to write I. I am. I am. Now the next verb is. So let's find out the appropriate words. Those are going to fit with this verb is. Ria. Ria is. So let's write Ria. Next, he. He is. Next, it. It is. Next, she. She is. So Ria is, he is, she is, it is. These are all singular naming words. Next, which verb is this? Are. This is are. So let's find out the appropriate words. Those are going to fit with this verb. Are is used with you. So you are. Next, they. They are. So let's write they are. Next, we. We are. We are. One more is left. Pens. Pens are. So you are, we are, they are, and pens are. These are all plural naming words. So am is always used with I. Is always used with singular naming words. And are is always used with plural naming words. Now let's move on to the next worksheet. Complete the sentences with correct verb. Am, am, is, are. Am, is, are. Let's see the first sentence. He dash in the park. What is used with he? He is. Very good. Correct. Is. He is. Next, I dash late. So what is used with I? Am. Very good. Am is always used with I. So here we have to write am. I am late. Now the next sentence is we dash in the school. We. So what we have to use with we? are. Very good. Good job. We are. Are is used with we. So we are in the school. Next, you dash a beautiful girl. You dash a beautiful girl. What should I write over here? Very good. Clap. You are. You are. You are a beautiful girl. Next, the books dash new. Observe very carefully. The books, more than one thing. So, the books are. The books are new. Next, they dash having fun. They. What should I write over here? Wow, clap. They are. So let's write they are. They are having fun. Now the last one but not least. It dash very cold today. It. What is used with it? Very good. Great job. It is. So let's write it is very cold today. Now children, let's recall one more time. He is in the park. I am late. We are in the school. You are a beautiful girl. The books are new. They are having fun. It is very cold today. So children, I hope use of am, is and are concept is clear to everyone. So keep practicing and keep learning. Thanks for watching video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.